Hello, my name is Kennar Utari. I'm from class 9B and I'm going to show you how to draw an airplane. So you're gonna need a pencil, an eraser, some drawing pen or marker is fine, a ruler, and a piece of paper. Let's get started. Make an uneven rectangle like this and then add a circle on the right side. And then, with the circle sketch, you can start making the airplane's head and nose. Then continue to make the back part of the airplane. After you're done, you can start drawing the airplane tail and wings. Then, you can start drawing the cockpit windows, the doors, and the passenger windows. Then, you can start tracing the sketch with the black marker or pen that you have. Erase the remaining pencil sketch on the paper. This last step is optional, but you can take any colored markers or colored pencil to draw the airlines and color any part you want the planes to have the color on. Here I'm using the light blue, dark blue, and yellow markers. And we're done.